DAJA-6 Pro Machine Installation Instruction. DAJA-6 Pro Laser Engraving Machine Protect Photo Mask Unpack. DAJA-6 Pro Laser Engraver Structural Assemblies. DAJA-6 Pro Laser Engraving Machine Light Shyla Accessories. Take out the structural components. Install the Y-right module into the front module. Installation off Y-left module into the front module. Install the rear module into the Y-axis left module. Synchronized installation of the rear module into the Y-right module. Tighten the four corners with M522 internal 6-piece cup head screws. Find the corresponding plug of the motherboard connection into the socket. Push the Y-axis left sliding group backwards to the end. Install the X-axis group downwards into the sliding group. Insert the corresponding connector plug into the socket. Tighten the X-axis module with M455 hexagon socket head cap screws. Plug in the laser connector accordingly. Protect photo mask right module and post module assemble and install in total. Assemble the protective cover left module and the protective cover rear module correspondingly. Tighten and fix with M48 half-round head hexagon socket screws. Assemble the light shield front module to the light shield right module and left module correspondingly. Tighten and fix with M314 hexagonal socket head screws. Hang the exhaust fan leads on the hooks in sequence. Assembling the light shield and the cover plate in correspondence. Use M48 half-round head hex screws and M4 hex any slip nuts to fix and tighten with a wrench. Assembling the light shield and the cover plate in correspondence. Tighten and fix with M48 hexagonal socket head screws. Open the cover plate upwards. Install the pull rod to the designated position and tighten it with M38 socket head hex screws. Install the assembled protective cover and bare machine together. 4 positions respectively with M522 hexagon socket head cap screws to tighten the fixing.